do 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 do. Guys, man, Tilray Inc. TLRY, and this is the beast, the behemoth in the cannabis world. And I've just been putting off doing a podcast on that one because it's just I don't have data, man. Look at that, the monthly candle chart. I have 1, 2, 3 candles, man, but you gotta be wary. It looks impressive here, but charts always try to fill out properly. If this stock one day goes to 300, 350, these are just small candles, right? If the stock goes to 1,000, then this is like nothing, right? Could pull back, go up. I don't know anything about that, but right now, this is just crazy. I'm going to try to dig in deeper than the weekly than I usually do. We're going to go to the smallest of time frame to get a feel, stage analysis, to get a feel of where this is going next. Is there a pullback? Is there somewhere we could get in at a good risk to reward ratio? Because look at that, man. I have most of the stock plays here, and it was carnage today. I'm sorry about using that emotional word, but it was just violent. But APH, T-God, Cron, 10, 15%. 6, wow, look at that red, crazy red. But then you have this guy, TLRI, plus 14%. So what the hell is up with that? I don't know. Maybe somebody who does fundamentals could have a fancy theory, fancy idea to give me, to recomfort me, to say, that's why. Well, truth is, it could be that, it could be something else. I don't know. But here's a price action. It's just insane. The relative performance compared to the rest of the field is insane. And there's a few other ISOLF, IIPR, but TLRY is just something is up there, guys. I don't know what, but it smells very, very, very bullish. Somebody knows something we don't know. Weekly. All right, I got a few more candles, not a lot. Let me zoom, condense. Base. So this thing started right here in July. Sideways move, explosion right here. Let's just put that on the weekly stand. I don't even have a 30-week moving average yet, guys. I have nothing. Even my Mansfield relative strength has it needs more data before it's able to, because it checks for a 30-week moving average. And if it's not there, then it's blank. Green, green, green. Crescendo volume. Keeps going up. Even sometimes I'm scared of these wicks, guys. When there's a high and pulls down, I call it like the setup candle. Then when you have another wick with a small body here, you get those tweezer tops, usually downtrend. Or just, that usually signals a top on that time frame. But this thing just keeps going up and up. There's no data, guys. So let's zoom in. Let's go. Let's get crazy, man. Daily. Chart's starting to fill out. Get some more detail. Broke out. Pull back. And just keeps going up. Pull back. Going up. Let's change that 30-week moving average. Let's put a 200-day moving average. Still don't have the data, guys. We're going to have to go in deeper. Crescendo volume, very, very healthy. Where are my previous resistance turns support? So that's what I call a wall. But on the daily, so if ever we get a pullback here at these levels, could bounce off the wall. If it does, it might sink all the way down here to the natural support and then maybe go up. And then we could get a sideways move here. That'd be super healthy, guys. And that's probably what was needed a lot, guys, for these stocks. Check out Hexo on the weekly. Explode, pull back. It's like natural. What you want, though, you don't want too much of this red candle right here. And when the 30-week moving, when the Mansfield relative strength stops going down and starts going up, then wherever the damage is, wherever it stopped, if it's still in the stage 2, that could be a good entry here. good risk to reward, closer to the 30-week moving average, wherever it might be. So that's how you could play it out with Hexo. But right now, that's on the daily. Right now, we're really trying to figure out, TLRY. Where's our entry? Where's our good risk to reward entry? Because on that monthly, we just have crazy candles. Now, we have an idea that the closer we get to the 90 level, we might hit some support. And there you go. And if ever we get close to the 80 level, 75 level, that's our next support right there. All right, I have to go. 4 hours, guys. Let's double up those candles. So that base, see, volume explode, contracting volume, sideways move, explode, pull back. Ooh, see, increasing red volume here. But that we could dig in. That was a gap up that closed red. We could dig in and see exactly. Right, which one is it? We could see exactly the health of this bar. So if you go on the hour, you get to see a better distribution of the volume. And yeah, no, it was on the red, still on the super duper red candle right here. But very doji-like there candle with a small body. All right, let's go back, man. I'm really digging in. Get a maximum amount of details on this curious specimen, because that's the thing with stage analysis. The weekly Stan Weinstein style, you need time before you enter. And well, I guess that's part of managing your emotions. FOMO, their fear of missing out. With just two candles, two monthly candles with 8 weekly candles, there's not much to do, guys. So you gotta let, I guess, that boat pass by if it has to pass by, because you don't have the data. That's how it looks on the 4 hour. Get a little bit more detail about that sideways move. Gap up. Wow, it's powerful. And right now, there's no signs of pulling back, guys. Look, I think we're going to have to wait for Tilray. It's just in a crazy stage 2. Let's go on the hourly. The hourly, starting to see the Ichimoku cloud. You're above it. The green cloud, uptrend. Nice pullbacks, getting close to it. But still far away, that moving average. Even if I put a tighter moving average, a 30, yeah, always still above it. Still in an uptrend. See here, these patterns, maybe on the hour, we could have guessed here there was a sideways move, close to a moving average, then bounce off. This could have been probably a good entry here. So you have to go, right now, we have to go to the hourly. Wow, look at that, outperforming the SPX. It's insane. We have to go to the hourly to get some possible technical stage analysis clues that it's going to give us the confidence to enter at a place where we think that support could hold, that you won't get triggered out. And it's outperforming the SPX, it's outperforming the index, marijuana index, by a crazy amount. It just won't stop, guys. And I'm not going to go shorter than 1 hour. After that, I guess I trust less and less that support, or whatever that time frame defined support or resistance. Even hourly, I rarely go down to those levels for any reasons. Doing stage analysis, Stan Weinstein style. I just want to take a look back, fast look at the 4 hour back here. So right now, absolutely no entry. I say pull back. When it gets close to 90, put an alert here. Think about maybe entering, but you'd have to check at the health and always wait for the pullback to go back up, and then we could see where we're at with the 30-week moving average. All right, guys, look, this is a very exploratory. Tilray, man, you got my curiosity, so I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on you and see if there's a possibility to enter in a safe manner, guys. Ciao.